Hello everyone, so you're welcome to today's video. In this video, I want to show you, a school that you can apply to, to migrate abroad, right? Study is like one of the easiest, if not the easiest way, for anyone, to make it to another country, because we cannot meet the requirements, for highly skilled workers, for shortage occupations in demand and all of that. You can do it through study. So if you don't want to go through the whole applying for jobs, getting a visa sponsorship job and all of that, just apply to a school, get admission. Getting admission is one of the easiest things, right? And then you get your study visa and then you move down to the country. So it's as easy as that, right? So in this video, I want to show you an amazing opportunity, no application fees, right? So you apply for free, and there are also financial aid available. There are scholarships and all of that. So this is a very good opportunity, and that is why I'm bringing it to you. So if you're just meeting, my name is Jackie, and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe, right? So you can be seeing more information like this, and also turn on the post notification. It's very important so you will not miss any video I post. When you turn on the post notification, every time I post a video, you get a notification, and then you click that notification and then you watch the video. Because if you want to relocate, you need a lot of information. Like one video is not enough, it may not be enough. So you need to know different things, different pathways, so you can find the one that is best for you to migrate. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, about your own personal needs, do send me an email so we can arrange for a one-on-one call where we'll get to talk about your own needs. All right. And you can also send me a DM on Instagram. And then, those are ways you can reach me, and we will arrange, a one-on-one call, if you have your own personal concerns, right? So let me show you the school that you can apply for immediately. All right, to start your application, you either click undergraduate or graduate, depending on what program you want to go in for. So here I've clicked undergraduate, right? And it's written here that there is no application fee to apply for undergraduate admission. So application here is free. And we're going to look at more of that information, but let's look at graduate for, real quick. To start the process, click the tab that best describes your degree or program. So we have here business and management, communication and media, computing, data analysis and mathematics, education, engineering and aviation, healthcare and medicine, language, literature and history, law, nursing, physical, natural, biomedical science, psychology and neuroscience, public health, social work, society, culture and public and policy studies, theology, philosophy, and ethics, right? So these are all the programs they have for graduates, yeah? Okay, so let's go back to undergraduate because I there's some interesting information here. So for undergraduate, right, these are all you have access to on the application portal. You're going to have access to all of this. They are all scholarships and all. So I think I should even show you scholarships proper. So let's go to scholarships. There are so many scholarships here, and you can, get all the scholarships and get to study at this school for free. They do offer 100% scholarships to students, but it's not every admitted student that will have that. So try your best and put in a very good application. So here, merit-based scholarships, the Billiken Ignatian University and Vice President scholarships are awarded to incoming freshmen based on your previous academic performance. So this is a merit-based scholarships. So we have here, the scholarship, and the award amount per semester is up to 10 semesters. So the Vice President scholarship is $12,500 and above. The university scholarship is $11,000, and the Ignatian scholarship, the Billiken Award, is $5,000 to $7,000. These scholarships automatically renew based upon full-time enrollment over 10 consecutive semesters and maintenance of the required 2.0 GPA. So there are application instructions, and you can even see other scholarships here. So there's scholarship for students from China. There are competitive scholarships. Okay, so for the first ones, the merit-based scholarships, you're automatically considered for that when you apply to the school, right? These ones are automatic consideration. Then the competitive ones are the ones you need to have separate applications for. So we have the Presidential Scholarship, we have the Martin Luther King Jr. Scholarship, and there are videos for all of them, so you can get to watch to know more about it. And then there's the St. Louis University National Merit Award. And they also have awards for transfer students. They have, awards for transfer students as well. There's the Jesuit Transfer Scholarship, the A Plus Scholarship, Community College Scholarship, Phi Theta Kappa Scholarship, the John Paul Fletcher Service Scholarship, and the Billy King Ignatius University or Vice President's Scholarship. So there's a whole lot of scholarships in this school for freshmen, transfer students, and that is not even all. There is still some other scholarship. The other scholarships here they have are Dr. Donald M. Snug Scholarship, the Jesuit National Scholarship, Jesuit High School Award, Catholic High School Award, Family Award, St. Peter Clever Service Scholarship, Korean Scholarship, and then there are other private scholarships. So there are so many scholarships in this school. Like schooling here is something you really should look forward to because you don't have to break the bank to do that. And then there's other forms of financial aid as well. So you can check the financial aid page to get to know other ways that you can school here for free. You can get, graduate assistantship, you can get research assistantship jobs and all of that and get to fund your studies in this school. So it's really amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead to see some other information here. So there are 97 bachelor's degree scholarships and 82 master's degree programs in this school. So that is really good. So there is a lot for anyone, that wants to school here. So many options for you, so many programs. Okay, so let's see how you can start your application, right? As an international student. So let's just see, information for international students. So step one, complete an online application. So again, there is no application fee to apply for undergraduate students. So if you're an international student, it is also free application for undergraduate programs, and then you will send your transcripts of all your secondary school work. So this information is for undergraduate, yeah. So you send transcripts of all secondary school work. If it's a graduate program, you send your transcripts from your bachelor's degree. That is basically how it works. And then submit proof of your English language proficiency. So every international student is required to send this. So you can do it through TOEFL, IELTS, PTE, SAT, and ACT, and even Duolingo scores are accepted as well. So for recommendation letters, it is not required for the admission, right? It's not required, but they do encourage you to send them. So do send recommendation letters, for that, but it's not going to be used to decide whether they're going to give you admission. All right, so let's look at frequently asked questions, FAQs. So questions that you would normally have. So for the application process, okay, let's see this one. How much is the graduate application fee to St. Louis University? So undergraduate is free, but for graduate programs, you need to pay $65 for application. All right, so that is it. And then how do I find out the status of my graduate admission application? So how do you find out the status? You can check your application status by logging into SLU's online application for graduate admission. All right. So can I apply to more than one program? I get that question a lot, and the answer is yes, you can. You can do that. Can I send my supporting documents such as letters of recommendation and transcripts separately from my application? We will accept documents sent separately. However, we are able to process applications more quickly when all the materials are sent together. So if you send them together, you're going to get a response quicker than if you send them separately. So if you want to get a response to your application real fast, ensure you send all your supporting documents together. All right. So there are more, questions here. And if you have any question regarding your application at any point, maybe you're stuck or whatever, you can send an email to them, right? You can send an email and they'll be happy to respond to your questions. All right.
So for international students, application for graduate programs is also $65. Same with the local students as well. Who do I contact with questions about my visa? Contact them and they will answer all your questions about a visa. So you can move down with your family to study and all of that. So if you need all those information, do reach out to them. So the name of this school is St. Louis University. All right, so you can come to the website and look at what the school has to offer, see all the information they've provided here, and all of that. It's always good to know more, get to find out about the school. You can click to request information, and also I'll leave a link to this in the description box. So click on it and go check out the school and send in your application if you're interested in schooling here. It's a very amazing opportunity.
Okay, so that's it. It's an amazing opportunity. You would agree with me. Okay, so do apply as soon as possible and also share this video with other people so they can get to apply as well. It's always good to share information, so other people can take advantage as well. If you found the video valuable, do give it a thumbs up. That is a like, so other people can get to see it, and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already so you can be seeing more updates like this. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. My name is Jackie and I will see you in the next one.